Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Art Gallery, that is chapter number 36. In this chapter, read about some of the famous paintings given here. So let's begin with it. The first one is Andy Warhol was one of the most famous artists of the 20th century. He became famous by creating portraits from photographs of the celebrities such as Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley. He created multiple portraits of the same picture using different colors each time. For example, they have given you this. This is the same person with different colors. Okay. Then next we have the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City. This. And it is as beautiful frescoes painted by the famous Italian painter and the sculptor Michelangelo. It took him less than 4 years to complete this work. Let's now move to the next one. In the next we have The Starry Night is one of the most celebrated works of the Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. And the painting, it shows the landscapes of a village during the night time. And Van Gogh's painting became popular only after his death. Means he was not popular when he was alive, but his paintings came to be known after his death. Next we have another famous painting. This painting you must have seen at many places. You must have seen in the books also, and this is one of the most famous paintings in the world, and it is known as the Mona Lisa, and it was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. It shows a woman with a mysterious expression and smile. This painting won the artist great fame. Let's now move to the next page. Then in the next we have Guernica is a painting by Pablo Picasso. He is a well-known artist of the 20th century. The painting shows the sufferings which were caused by the war when a town called Guernica in Spain was bombed. So this painting shows what? It shows the pain and the sufferings of the people at that time. Now next we have the quick fact. It says that the Night Watch is a painting by Rembrandt, a Dutch painter. It shows a group of soldiers led by a captain and his lieutenant. So this is the quick fact. Let's now do the quiz time. The quiz time begins with the question, choose the correct answers. So the first question is, where are cave paintings found in India? And the options are Ajanta, Khajuraho or the Kanyakumari. And the answer for this question is Ajanta, A. Then next we have a drawing that is scribbled or scratched on a wall is called dash. Is it called a sketch, a graffiti or a doodling? And this drawing is known as graffiti. The next we have third one, a mural is a dash. What is a mural? Is it a wall painting, a painting on paper or a painting on cloth? And the answer is a mural is a wall painting. Last question of this chapter, which of these artists is not a painter? First is Amrita Shergill, second Satish Gujral, and third Uday Shankar. And the answer for this question is third, that is C, Uday Shankar. He is not a painter. Then a question for you children. Your answer please. What are frescoes? Look for the answers from the Google and write the answer for the same here below in the book itself. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.